Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We are thrilled to have you join us as we continue our journey through the world of software development methodologies. In our previous series, as we explored the various phases of software development lifecycle, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of each step involved in creating high quality software. Today, we are diving into one of the most well known and traditional SDLC models, the Waterfall Model. This model follows a linear and sequential approach, making it easy to understand and implement, especially for straightforward projects and well-defined requirements. In this video, we will discuss the key characteristics of waterfall model, its advantages and its limitations. We will also explore how each phase in waterfall model is executed and provide examples to help you grasp its practical applications. So let's get started and uncover the details of waterfall model. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Let's dive in. As I mentioned, the waterfall model is a linear and sequential software development approach that follows a series of distinct phases. Phases of waterfall model. The waterfall model is divided into several distinct phases that are executed in a sequential order. 1. Requirement gathering. This phase involves gathering, analyzing, and documenting the requirements of the software system. 2. Design. The design phase involves creating the system architecture, data models, and user interfaces. 3. Implementation. In this phase, the actual coding of the software is done based on the design specifications. 4. Testing. The testing phase involves verifying that the software meets the requirements and specifications. 5. Deployment. After successful testing, the software is deployed to the production environment for use by end user. 6. Maintenance. The maintenance phase involves ongoing support, bug fixes and enhancements to the software after deployment. Advantages of waterfall model. The waterfall model has several advantages that make it suitable for certain types of software development projects. 1. Well-defined process. The waterfall model provides a clear and structured process which is helpful for managing large and complex projects. 2. Easy to manage. The sequential nature of the waterfall model makes it easier to track progress and manage resources. 3. Suitable for simple projects. It is ideal for projects with well-defined requirements and minimal changes during development. 4. Clear documentation. The waterfall model emphasizes documentation throughout the process, which can be helpful for future maintenance and updates. Disadvantages of the waterfall model. Waterfall model has some disadvantages that can limit its effectiveness for certain projects. Rigid and inflexible. The waterfall model is difficult to adapt to change in requirements or technology. Limited feedback. The waterfall model relies on upfront planning and does not allow for feedback until late in the development process. High risk of failure. If the requirements are not accurately defined at the beginning, the project may fail to meet the user's need. Delayed deployment. The waterfall model can result in long deployment cycles which can delay the delivery of the software. Let us see in the slide the comparison to agile methodologies. Agile methodologies such as Scrum and Kanban offer a more flexible and iterative approach to software development. Let us see few differences between waterfall and agile. Process. Waterfall, it's linear and sequential, and in agile it is iterative and incremental. Requirements defined upfront in waterfall model, while in agile methodologies it's evolved during development. Feedback limited until late stages. In agile methodologies, continuous and frequent. Flexibility difficult to adapt to changes. In agile methodologies, highly adaptable to changes. Teamwork. In waterfall model, it is mainly follow the hierarchy, and in agile methodologies, it is highly collaborative. When to use the waterfall model? The waterfall model is best suited for the projects with well-defined requirements and minimal scope for changes. Small projects. For smaller projects with clearly defined requirements and limited complexity, the waterfall model can be a suitable choice. Embedded systems. The waterfall model is often used for developing embedded systems where changes after deployment can be costly and time consuming. Legacy systems. Maintaining and upgrading legacy systems with well-defined requirements and limited scope for changes can be benefit from the waterfall model structured approach. Let us see few challenges in implementing the waterfall model. Implementing the waterfall model effectively requires careful planning and management to overcome potential challenges. 1. Requirement gathering. Defining comprehensive and accurate requirements is crucial for the success of the waterfall model. 2. Communication gaps. Effective communication between team members and the stakeholders is vital to avoid misunderstandings and delays. 3. Change management. The waterfall model struggles with accommodating changes once the development process has begun. 4. Testing and integration. Thorough testing and seamless integration are essential to ensure the software functions correctly. Conclusion and key takeaways. The waterfall model is a traditional approach to software development with distinct phases and a structured process. Structured process provides a well-defined and sequential process for software development. Limited flexibility. Difficult to adapt to changes in requirements or technology. Suitable for specific projects. Best suited for projects with well-defined requirements and minimal changes. Potential for delays. Can result in longer development cycles, delaying the delivery of the software. So guys, hope you able to get some insights on the waterfall model of SDLC. That's it for today, and we'll come up with other different models of SDLC shortly. Till then, goodbye, stay tuned, and take care.